Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl NatFABLife here to give you a review on this quick Amazon wig that I bought. And all you're getting, sis, get the right wig. And I think I found the one. Here you'll see I have plucked a center part. The wig came with a side part, but I prefer center sometimes. The lace is 13 by 4 inches, I believe. It also came with 4 combs, even though I'm only going to point out 3 here. It was a comb in the back and 2 on the side. It also has a tightening strap in the back that you could use if you feel the wig is too big. I didn't need to use that because I am a part of the big head committee. Yes. This one was 20 inches long. In hindsight, I would purchase it longer because actually with all the curls you lose some inches. So yeah, I've already worn this wig once before, so I wanted to make sure I like it before I share it. So that's important. So as you notice, my ball cap underneath the wig is the same color as my skin. I am not here to show you how to do ball cap method. I'm not here to show you how to melt a lace because that is not my expertise. I'm just showing you how to get by, sis. I don't have time for that, but you know, maybe next year I will. So this is what it looks like underneath the wig, what the cap looks like underneath the wig. I really like it. I mean, yeah, it's a lace front, but you don't want to be so obvious. But then, you know, this is as real as it will get from me, and I don't mind sharing my quick method with you ladies. So yeah, as I said, this is going to be my quick version. Like I said, if you want anything melting, or you know, there are many other channels where you could learn from, but this is just my quick method. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and prepare this for the not so meltdown. But yeah, I'm only going to use the Got2be Glued spray. I like it because it's less it leaves less residue, so I like to spray it on my cap and a little bit on my forehead. As you ladies see, like, I got forehead for days, so I could literally slide that wig all the way down if I wanted and still have forehead left. But anyways, that's just an insider that I know about myself. So you're going to spray on the cap and a little bit beyond, and then you want to make sure that you let it dry. The best way, I guess, to dry that would go ahead and use your dryer on cool, but I didn't have a dryer at the time. So again, this is the method that I choose to use. So you want to check that, make sure it's a little bit sticky or tacky or whatever the term you want to use, and then you're going to go ahead and add a second layer. And I'm just putting my finger there as a placeholder so it doesn't drip down into my face, especially if you already have your makeup done. So there's other ways you can keep it from dripping into your face, I get it, but yeah, I use my finger. And as you see, I'm not putting anything on my sides. I'm not going to even attach the sides because for the style that I use, I don't need to attach the sides. I'm going to style it as a quick bun method, or pull a low bun, or wearing it straight to the back or straight down. And with those styles, I don't need to attach my sides. But as you see, I think this wig would be perfect if you wanted to attach your sides. So now that it's a little sticky, we're going to go ahead and pull that down. And I'm going to press on it a little bit just to make sure I have it where I want it and it doesn't move out of place. It's still a little tacky, so you can move it if you need to. And at this point is where I go ahead and I attach the combs on the sides. Again, I'm not using the straps on the back, but I do use the comb on the back. And I like to rub on top just to make sure that it's attached. So as you see there, I still have a little bit of movement. So I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit of the Got2be Glued spray right on top. That's why I love this spray, because I can use it underneath and on top and not worry about making such a mess, especially if you're a beginner. So I'm just holding that in place, making sure I'm styling it where I want. Go ahead and pulling that behind my ears because that's the style I'm going to get it to. So I want to make sure it doesn't move when I'm ready to pull it behind my ears. Again, you can use your blow dryer. I'm not against that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go ahead and comb down my the front of my hair. I'm going to get a nice and smooth texture right there. So you guys see that close up? That doesn't look too bad, does it? Yeah, not for $110. That don't look bad at all. So I'm going to take this Argon foaming wrap, and I'm just going to put some all over. And depending on the style you want, you could, you know, put as much as you want. If you really want that wet look, you can add as much as you want. And I'm taking my demi brush and I'm just going through and showing you guys what that looks like if it's like really wet on one side. But for the style I'm going for, I don't need the whole thing to be wet. I'm just showing you what it looks like if you wanted to go for the wet look. So as you see, I'm going to brush the other side kind of dry just so you can see what that looks like. So yes, you have options. I like both looks. I like the wet look and I like the dry look. That's the curl pattern when you add a little bit of mousse to it. So yeah, I want you guys to see the volume of the hair. So I'm going to turn to the side and to the back and let you see when it's brushed out, let you see the volume, which again, I really love that about this wig. I think if I would have ordered it in more inches, maybe the volume would change, but I'm okay with this because I just use this wig to wear to work. And so for my work style, it's just a simple low bun, and that's what I wanted to share. So I'm going to finish adding my mousse, and I'm going to go ahead and get this as sleek as I want it. I think if I would have took my time, you know, I think I would have gotten it to be a little bit more sleek. But as you see, this is how much shedding, very minimal shedding from the brush. That came from the brush, and then anything that I grabbed at first was from the floor. I like to use this eco style argan oil gel. Again, it leaves no mess or minimal mess, no residue. And I'm just going to put just a little bit right there on the front so I can really achieve that sleek bun look that I want. Again, ladies, this is just enough to get you by, to save you some money. Again, I'm not like the expert at melting the lace or doing the ball cap method, but hopefully you get enough to, like I said, save you a little bit of money. So what I'm doing here is I'm just putting on some more of the mousse to sleek down any loose hairs. And I'm gonna take my my baby comb and baby brush and sleek some more. Can't get enough sleeking, right? So here's the close-up. I think I would have gotten the part just a little bit straighter, but man, I don't think I even get my parts really straight if it was my real bun. The reason I like this spray is because I can go in on top if I see just a little bit of lifting, and then spray a little more and go ahead and tie it down. You can use a bandana or any type of hair wrap that you have, anything to get it to just lay flat. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and create my work bun. Ladies do it different ways. Some of them like the donut bun. I'm a real simple girl. As bougie as people like to say that I am, I'll take some of that, but not all of it. I twist the hair and then I just, you know, get a bobby pin or another hair tie and tie it down. It's a simple bun, but there's cuter ways to do the buns. Really simple, see? Okay, and I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit and then I'll come back to the camera. Bam, that was quick, right? So I'm gonna give you a close-up and let you see how good that lace looks for $110. Ladies, did I get the right wig or what? Okay, you can conceal that, you can make it super straight if you want, but hey, this is for the beginners out there who just want to put a wig on and want to get to where they're going. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to click like or subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.